Pellet grills are taking over backyards everywhere, but choosing the wrong one can mean endless jams, wasted pellets, and disappointing barbecue. See which pellet grills are getting rave reviews for reliability, flavor, and ease of use so you don't miss out on the next big thing in grilling. Links to each of the best pellet grills are at the top of the description box. When you bring home the Traeger Pro Series 22 pellet grill, you're stepping into a world where wood-fired flavor meets effortless precision. This grill is designed to simplify the art of barbecue, giving you the power to smoke, grill, bake, roast, braise, and barbecue with the unmistakable taste only genuine hardwood pellets can deliver. With 572 square inches of cooking space, you'll find more than enough room for multiple racks of ribs, a whole brisket, or a feast of burgers for friends and family. The sturdy steel construction and powder coat finish ensure your investment will withstand the elements in countless cookouts. You'll love the Digital Pro controller, which maintains consistent temperatures within 15 degrees of your set point. This means you can trust your grill to deliver reliable results, whether you're slow smoking a pork shoulder or searing steaks at higher heat. Similarly, the convection-style airflow guarantees even cooking across every inch of the grill surface, so you never have to worry about hot spots or undercooked food. The easy-to-use hopper holds up to 18 pounds of pellets, allowing for hours of uninterrupted cooking. Cleanup is refreshingly simple thanks to the non-stick porcelain grill grates that release food easily and wipe clean after each use. The all-terrain wheels and locking casters make moving the grill a breeze, so you can bring the party wherever you like, backyard, patio, or campsite. The built-in meat probe lets you monitor internal temperatures without lifting the lid, preserving heat and smoke for perfect results every time. Choosing the Traeger Pro Series 22 means you're embracing a grill that blends tradition with innovation. You'll enjoy the deep, smoky flavor that only real wood can provide, paired with the convenience of set-it-and-forget-it technology. Whether you're a seasoned pitmaster or a weekend griller, this pellet grill is your ticket to consistently delicious barbecue. Next up on my list of the best pellet grills, we have the popular Pit Boss Pellet Grill, which gives you a versatile outdoor cooking experience that's as approachable for beginners as it is rewarding for seasoned grillers. The 440 square inches of porcelain-coated cooking surface offer ample space for weeknight dinners or weekend feasts, and the grill's innovative design ensures that you can smoke, sear, bake, barbecue, and roast, all with the rich flavor of natural wood pellets. The heavy-duty steel construction and high-temperature powder coat finish are built to last, so you can count on this grill for years of reliable use. One of the standout features is the digital control board, which lets you set your desired temperature with the turn of a dial. The grill automatically feeds pellets to maintain your chosen heat, freeing you from constant fire management and letting you focus on the food. The fan-forced convection system ensures even heat distribution, so you can cook everything from delicate seafood to hearty roasts with confidence. The temperature range of 180 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit gives you the flexibility to smoke low and slow or crank up the heat for a beautiful sear. You'll appreciate the convenience of the side shelf, which provides a handy workspace for prepping ingredients or holding sauces and tools. The solid bottom shelf offers additional storage for pellets or accessories, keeping everything you need within arm's reach. The easy access grease tray makes cleanup simple, so you can spend more time enjoying your meal and less time scrubbing. As one of the best wood pellet grills on the market, you're empowered to experiment with flavors and techniques, knowing your grill will deliver consistent results every time. It's the perfect choice for anyone who wants the authentic taste of wood-fired cooking without the hassle, making it a true centerpiece for your outdoor kitchen. Checking in at number 3 on my roundup of the best pellet grill brands, we have the Zgrills Pioneer 450 B Pellet Grill, which is designed with both new grillers and seasoned enthusiasts in mind, offering a seamless blend of precision, versatility, and ease of use. The 450B features Zgrills Advanced Gen V2, 1PID digital controller, which automatically tunes the fuel feed and airflow in real time. This ensures that your grill maintains a rock-steady temperature regardless of weather changes or how much you open the lid. With a total cooking area of 450 square inches and an 18-pound hopper, you'll have plenty of space and fuel to cook for family and friends without interruption. As any pellet grill reviews will tell you, switching between smoking, grilling, baking, or roasting is effortless, so you can explore a wide variety of recipes and cooking styles. The high-temperature powder-coated steel construction not only looks sharp, but also withstands the rigors of outdoor use. The slotted grease pan channels drippings into a bucket for easy cleanup, while the all-terrain wheels make it simple to move the grill wherever you need it, on the patio, deck, or even the backyard. You'll love the convenience features built into the 450. The quick pellet cleanout system lets you switch flavors or empty the hopper in seconds, so you're always ready to try something new. The included meat probes allow you to monitor internal food temperatures without lifting the lid, preserving heat and smoke for perfect results. The LCD screen provides clear, at-a-glance feedback on grill status, making it easy to keep your cook on track. For those just starting their wood-fired journey, the Zgrills 450B offers professional-grade performance without the high price tag. You can expect juicy, flavorful results every time. Whether you're slow smoking ribs or grilling burgers for a crowd, this grill makes it easy to master the art of pellet cooking, giving you the confidence to experiment and impress. Next up on my list of the best wood pellet grills, we have the popular Weber Searwood 600 pellet grill, which is a testament to Weber's commitment to innovation and performance. With a spacious 600 square inches of cooking area, you're equipped to handle everything from weeknight meals to backyard feasts. The Searwood 600's standout feature is its impressive temperature range, spanning from 180 degrees Fahrenheit for gentle smoking all the way up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit for true restaurant-quality searing. The direct flame cooking system lets you achieve deep sear marks, golden browning, and the kind of crispy bark that makes barbecue unforgettable. You'll find the Rapid React PID controller to be super useful, heating the grill to your set temperature in 15 minutes or less. This means you can go from craving to cooking with minimal wait, and the grill recovers its temperature quickly after the lid is open. This consistency is invaluable, especially when grilling in cooler weather or when you're frequently checking on your food. The full grate sear zone ensures even heat distribution, so you can make the most of every inch of the grill. Weber's Smoke Boost setting is perfect for those times when you want to maximize smoky flavor. It holds the grill at a low 180 degrees Fahrenheit, optimizing smoke absorption and delivering that signature wood-fired taste. The Searwood 600's robust construction and sleek black finish look great in any outdoor space, while the thoughtful design makes it easy to use and maintain. When you choose the Weber Searwood 600, you're investing in a grill that empowers you to experiment with every aspect of pellet cooking. From low and slow briskets to high-heat steakhouse sears, this grill adapts to your culinary ambitions, helping you create memorable meals with ease and confidence. So, what is the best pellet grill for the money? Well, it's certainly not cheap, but if you just want to buy the absolute best pellet grill on the market, then the Recteq RT 2500 BFG pellet smoker grill is what you need to get. The Recteq RT 2500 stands in a league of its own, offering a colossal 2,535 square inches of cooking space, enough to handle the largest gatherings or ambitious backyard feasts. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel inside and out, the RT 2500 BFG promises durability, consistent performance, and a striking presence in your outdoor kitchen. The 53-pound hopper means you can smoke, grill, sear, bake, braise, or dehydrate for hours on end without worrying about refueling. What truly elevates the RT 2500 BFG is its integration of smart grill technology. The Recteq app allows you to control and monitor your grill remotely, adjusting temperatures and tracking your cook from anywhere. This Wi-Fi-enabled convenience gives you the freedom to entertain guests or relax while your grill does the heavy lifting. The grill's advanced temperature control system ensures steady, precise heat, delivering results you can trust every time. Inside, you'll find 3 racks, dual lights for nighttime cooking, and 2 meat probes for monitoring multiple dishes at once. The barrel design promotes even heat circulation, so whether you're slow smoking brisket or roasting vegetables, you can expect uniform results across the entire cooking surface. The stainless steel build is not only visually impressive, but also resists rust and corrosion, ensuring your grill stays looking and performing its best for years. Owning the Recteq RT 2500 BFG means you're ready for any culinary challenge, from intimate family dinners to large-scale cookouts. The combination of massive capacity, smart features, and robust construction empowers you to explore the full spectrum of wood-fired cooking. With this grill, you can expect professional-grade results, unmatched versatility, and the confidence to create unforgettable barbecue experiences every time you fire it up. That's all you need to know to find the best pellet grill for your backyard. For anyone ready to upgrade their grilling game, all the product links are waiting for you in the description below.